If you've lost access to your Payoneer account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Payoneer website. Go to the official Payoneer website and navigate to the login page. Click on the Forgot Password link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Payoneer account. This is the email you used to register for your account. After entering your email, click on the Submit button. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Payoneer containing instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the password reset instructions. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. You will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Contact customer support if needed. If you do not receive the password reset email or encounter any issues, reach out to Payoneer customer support. Provide them with the necessary information to verify your identity, such as your name, email address, and any transaction details. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Payoneer account without needing your phone number. If you face any challenges, don't hesitate to contact customer support for assistance.